I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your macOS screen flash for alerts and notifications. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Accessibility. Step 3. Navigate to the Hearing section in this menu and then click Audio. Step 4. Click to toggle on Flash the screen when an alert sound occurs at the top of the screen. Going forward, whenever you get an alert on your Mac, the entire screen will momentarily flash a translucent, soft white overlay. The Flash for Alerts feature works even if your Mac is muted and won't show up in screen recordings. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.